Hello, Miss Cypher's class. Happy Tuesday and happy day after Halloween. I hope you're having a great morning so far. I miss seeing you today, but I am at a meeting where I'm learning about some new things that we can do in the library. Last week, we were wondering about leaves and why they change colors. And I showed you one of my favorite websites, Wanderopolis. When you all were looking at Wanderopolis last week, I noticed that a lot of you were really interested in pumpkins and whether pumpkins sink in water or float in water. I thought we could look at that a little bit deeper today. So I'm going to search, how about pumpkins? Let's see what we've got. There we go. Do pumpkins float or sink? The next thing you will do today is watch this video about pumpkins floating or sinking. But before you watch the video, I am wondering, what do you think? Do pumpkins float in water or do pumpkins sink in water? I'll see you all next week. Bye.